Tired of missing Instagram DMs while you sleep? What if you could respond to every Instagram message instantly, 24/7? Introducing CreatorGati, AI-powered Instagram automation that works for you round the clock. AI-powered responses, lightning fast, never keep your customer waiting, and many other features is. Simple setup process. Get started in minute with our intuitive step-by-step process. Just sign up with your Gmail account, connect your Instagram account and start configuring automation and launch your business on scale. Start it for free and avail the Pro plan for limited period of time. Once you sign into the CreatorGati with your Google account, CreatorGati dashboard will be displayed. Now connect your Instagram account from here. Once it is connected, now let's go to our automation page to create our automation. Click on Create Automation. We have three types of automation. One is respond to all DM, Insta DM for comment, Insta DM from stories. And we also have AI answered FAQ, which is available for the Mac user. We will do Insta DM from comment for the post and reel. Here we will give a name, demo, and we will select a post. That is optional. Either we can respond to each and every post or we can select a post and based on specific post, automation will trigger. Click on Done button. Now coming to trigger rules. By default, all comments will automatically get responded. But we will select only trigger for a specific keyword. And we will give as link, LINK. So whoever types the link, this automation will get triggered. We can also turn on the fuzzy logic. This is available for Pro version. So if there are any typo by user, then also this automation will get triggered. Next is message flow. We will turn on this opening message so that user can follow us first before getting the main message. We will keep this opening message as default right now. Click on Done and we will keep this continue button as it is. And we will turn on the ask to follow. This is available for Pro version and Max. This will be also default. Confirmation button will be I am following. And this is our final message. Thank you for the comment. Comment on reel and click on Done button. We can also add the accent button where we will have a button text and a link to it so that user can click on that button text to go to the link like a messaging on the WhatsApp. For now, I won't keep any button text. And the final step is comment reply. If we turn on this, user will get either three of this message. Now we can save our automation by clicking on Create Automation. Now your post is on autopilot mode. Whosoever comment on your post will get a message on DM and also reply on the post. Similarly, you can create the automation for the reply to all DMs. Also, you can create automation for DM from stories. All the contexts are getting saved here and the delivered message will be saved on this screen. What are you waiting for? Get started now and start creating your automation.